Hi, I'm Beverly Clarke. Thank you for considering me for your next event. I work to bridge the gap between industry and education. Let me share what value I will bring to your organisation and event. I am a multi-award winner in education and tech. I have worked at local, regional, national and international level, and I'm able to work with different audiences from children through to adults. In my portfolio career, I wear a few different hats. Let me share a snapshot with you. I'm the founder of the charity Technology Books for Children, normalizing reading for pleasure on tech topics and bringing tech to life through books. I'm an education consultant advising on the way forward, trends, governance, risk and policy. Additionally, I'm a resource writer. My work has been used worldwide. I take the complex and break it down into the understandable. I'm a coach, helping you on your career journey and life navigation. Additionally, I'm the author of 5 published books. I'm also a trustee for 2 national charities, an event host, and a speaker. Please reach out today, and I look forward to working with you very soon.